This is the AC19 wireless Bluetooth shortcut remote from XP-Pen, available for purchase online at sites like Amazon. Its primary purpose is to complement their lineup of tablets. However, you can also link it for use with other applications. One application it works well with is the weather application WSV3. WSV3 is a paid application, but a solid choice for anyone requiring an affordable professional weather presentation tool that allows advanced control of actual weather imagery. WSV3 features a whole host of customizable options, from map data to how and what is presented. The most basic of which is being able to import your own custom header, where you can select how the font displays, its anchor points, and even customize the timestamp information. I have more information about how to do that in the description below. One of WSV3's features allows you to build scenes. Just be careful because they cannot be edited once saved. To do that, set up your map exactly how you want it to look. Then save the preset scene and give it a name. WSV3 will automatically assign the shortcut command you'll need to use anytime you want to recall it, if not using the drop-down menu to apply the scene. You can program the corresponding keystrokes to trigger WSV3's shortcuts inside of the XP-Pen AC19 driver's configuration window. Add the WSV3 app so it knows what grouping of shortcuts to use and assign when that application is running in the foreground. Here you can see how easy it is to set that up and give each a name for future reference. If there is a keystroke you need and you're unable to assign it in the app, you can always export your configuration file and then open it in Notepad to make the change, adding any specific character you weren't able to. Just use the Find button to easily navigate to the section where you want to make the change, and when finished modifying the code, save your changes. From there, you can import that configuration file back into the AC19 driver software. This is a great way to back up your settings as well. Once you have finished setting it up, it's time to test it out. This is the fun part. Turn on the remote and check your settings. With the wireless remote, I'm able to show the national map, put that into motion, stop the motion, show the regional radar, put that into motion, stop the motion, even zoom in to the hyperlocal level, or show a 3D view. One note about animations: if you put a map into motion and then advance to another that doesn't have motion, or if you stop that motion, it'll all be tied to the time when that change happens. So if you want to stop it on the most recent update, wait for the pause and then stop the animation playback. This way, if you move on to something like the national temperatures, they aren't showing historical data. You could even get fancy and employ a buzzer sound effect from the free application Sound Pilot and link that to a button such as the outer ring to signal your production crew to advance and take other content on the air. The app isn't perfect, but if you are looking to create an affordable weather presentation setup, using WSV3 with the AC19 shortcut remote from XP-Pen is certainly one way to accomplish that while looking professional.